Well, a single piece of Royal Albert in the Tranquillity pattern we're listing today. It's a saucer, an orphan saucer, lost its teacup, probably to a breakage over the years, but we've got this one spare if you've still got your teacup but have lost your saucer. Tranquillity in Royal Albert is this lovely grey and white printed scroll-like design with pink roses in bouquets, and then a little bit of scroll moulding around the outer rim, as you can just see there, nicely detailed in this light box. Look at the condition, very bright, hardly a scratch on it at all. It is in used vintage condition, it's not in mint. There is a little bit of wear on the burnished gilt around the outside, but Tranquillity did use this broken sort of gilt design around the rim, so that looks quite as it should, to be fair. On the rear, this is a Royal Albert second. It has got a little mark or scratch or drill mark over that pink rose to indicate that it was sold initially as a second by Royal Albert. Tranquillity England marks there, 1969 copyright, so this is obviously post 1969 and may well be a lot later than that. Tranquillity, I think, was made up until the late 80s, early 90s. So a spare saucer, Royal Albert, bone china, made in England, Tranquillity pattern. Late 20th century, available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website on the link description below, or if we can put the product link directly in on YouTube, we will do so. Thanks for watching.